This week's engineer impacting highlight. AWS's EKS 1.34 with provisioned control planes can transform how you manage Kubernetes clusters, giving you control over lifecycle and performance. An upgrade definitely worth exploring. I'm Mark from devx.com, and this is your weekly digest. Starting with Amazon Web Services, AWS has introduced Kubernetes version 1.34 in EKS with a new provisioned control plane option. This change offers more predictable cluster control by separating your management plane from shared resources, reducing noisy neighbor issues, and aiding compliance. For platform teams, running compatibility tests on deprecated APIs and ensuring your CI/CD pipelines reflect these control plane options could significantly enhance your Kubernetes operations. AWS Lambda now allows asynchronous payloads up to 1 MB, a significant jump from the previous 256 KB. This change liberates event-driven architectures from using external payload storage, but be vigilant about cost impacts from larger payload retries and increased logging volumes. Update your design contracts to manage these oversized events effectively. Over in the realm of machine learning, SageMaker introduces real-time endpoints compatible with OpenAI's API shape, letting you integrate existing OpenAI SDKs with minimal changes. This update can speed up your team's go-to-market by using familiar tools without re-architecting existing solutions. Switching to Google Cloud, the Gemini 3.1 Flash-Lite and Pro models are in preview on Vertex AI. They offer distinct inference tiers: Flash-Lite for cost-effective, high-throughput needs, and Pro for tasks demanding higher fidelity. Your team should consider routing strategies that align workload types with the appropriate model to optimize performance and cost balance. Also noteworthy, Google Cloud announces GKE Secret Sync, now generally available, which synchronizes secret manager secrets with Kubernetes secrets, streamlining secure key management in large clusters. Make sure to confirm its behavior in your environments, leveraging workload identity for least privilege access. On the Microsoft side, Azure has rolled out Entra-only authentication for Azure Files SMB into general availability. This change can remove dependencies on on-premise domain controllers for file sharing and improve security by reducing the need for legacy authentication methods. Catalog your workloads to identify which can now adopt this Entra-only approach. Moreover, Microsoft's Foundry expands its model inventory with Claude Opus 4.8 and GPT-5.5, offering new avenues for machine learning innovation. If your platforms depend on these models, validate your workloads against the Foundry support matrix for performance and cost benefits. In the Kubernetes space, active maintenance is focused on release branches 1.36, 1.35, and 1.34, with backports and urgent security fixes concentrated here. Ensure your upgrade plans and automation are synchronized with these versions to prevent unnecessary disruptions. Finally, OpenTelemetry's graduation from the CNCF brings governance reliability and API stability. Platform teams should assess telemetry architectures, emphasizing collector-first implementations to streamline cross-service observability and reduce redundancy. There you have it. That's 4 minutes well spent. Everything we've covered is linked up at devx.com. I'm Mark. See you next week.